What if I told you that in 2025, artificial intelligence isn't just about cool chatbots and futuristic robots? It's about real tools that can literally put money in your pocket. Imagine creating businesses overnight, automating streams of income, and even making money while you sleep, all powered by AI. Sounds impossible. Well, today I'm going to show you 10 AI tools that are already doing this, and how you can use them to start making money right now. Stick with me because the last few tools will blow your mind. Welcome back to Tech Money Central, the place where technology meets financial freedom. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of AI and money-making opportunities. These aren't just gimmicks or get-rich-quick schemes. These are real practical AI tools that people around the world are using to create side hustles, boost their businesses, and even replace their 9-to-5 incomes. So grab your notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know which AI tools are worth your time, you'll also know exactly how to use them. Number 1, ChatGPT Business Agents. Let's start with the obvious giant, AI business agents. In 2025, tools like OpenAI's GPT-5 powered agents can do more than just answer questions. They can run parts of your business for you, from responding to customer inquiries to generating marketing campaigns and even negotiating deals through email. Here's the money-making angle. Imagine running a freelance service agency, but instead of hiring a team, you deploy AI agents that handle writing, editing, customer service, and even sales calls. Suddenly, you're scaling a business with a fraction of the cost. Number 2, Runway Gen 3 for video creation. Video content is exploding, and so is demand for it. Runway's Gen 3 lets you create cinematic level video content from simple text prompts. What does this mean for money? You can now sell explainer videos, marketing ads, or even full-length creative projects without ever picking up a camera. Think about TikTok agencies, YouTube faceless channels, or businesses needing ads. Instead of expensive crews, you deliver stunning visuals with AI. This turns into a high-ticket service you can sell on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Number 3, 11 Labs Voice AI. If you've ever wanted to start a podcast, audiobook business, or voiceover service but hate your own voice, AI now has your back. 11 Labs allows you to create ultra-realistic synthetic voices in multiple languages and accents. The opportunity? You can monetize audiobooks, produce content for international audiences, or provide custom voiceovers without ever stepping into a recording booth. It's scalable and global. Number 4, Midjourney V6, Stable Diffusion, XL Visual Cell, period. Tools like Midjourney and Stable Diffusion XL now allow for hyper-realistic, customizable artwork. Entrepreneurs are using this to create print-on-demand businesses, designing t-shirts, mugs, posters, and digital art that people actually pay for. The best part? You can build an entire Etsy or Shopify business powered by AI-generated art in under a week. Number 5, Durable AI Website Builder. Here's where things get really interesting. Durable is an AI tool that can build a full professional website in less than a minute. Now, websites are the backbone of any online business. Instead of spending thousands on web developers, you can charge small businesses to build and manage their websites at scale. This isn't theory. People are already using Durable to spin up web design agencies that make recurring income through hosting and updates. Number 6, Autopod and Descript for podcast and video editing is one of the most time-consuming parts of content creation. Autopod and Descript use AI to automatically cut, edit, and repurpose long-form videos into short viral clips. Monetization strategy? Start a content repurposing agency. Every YouTuber, podcaster, and influencer needs this service, and you can now offer it with minimal manual effort. Number 7, Perplexity AI for research and consulting knowledge is money. Perplexity AI provides deep verified research in seconds. Consultants, coaches, and content creators are using it to gather insights, prepare reports, and create knowledge products like ebooks or online courses. This means you can start a consulting side hustle where you package insights from AI research into actionable strategies for clients. Number 8, Copy AI, Jasper AI for sales and marketing. Copy sells. Tools like Copy AI and Jasper AI generate conversion-focused emails, ads, and landing page copy. Businesses pay thousands for good copywriting. If you can position yourself as an AI-powered marketer, you can provide businesses with entire sales funnels, automated email campaigns, and ad strategies, all crafted with AI. Number 9, Stock IMG and Leonardo AI for product mockups. One of the most profitable niches online is e-commerce. Stock IMG and Leonardo AI can generate high-quality product mockups and branding designs instantly. This is gold for Shopify and Amazon sellers who need sleek images to sell products. You could start a branding studio powered by AI that churns out professional logos, packaging, and mockups in minutes. Number 10, AI trading and investing bots. Finally, the most controversial but lucrative AI-powered trading bots. In 2025, platforms like Capitalize AI and Numerai use AI to analyze massive datasets and automate trading strategies. While risky, when used responsibly, these tools can generate real income through algorithmic trading, crypto arbitrage, or stock market predictions. The key is discipline and understanding risk management. Now here's what ties this all together. None of these tools are magic bullets, but when combined, they create a stack of opportunities that can replace old business models entirely. Imagine this scenario. AI builds your website, creates your content, markets it for you, and even handles customer service while you collect revenue. That's not science fiction. That's 2025. So, which of these tools are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear which business ideas you'd launch with AI. And if you want more deep dives into how technology and money are colliding, hit that like button, subscribe to Tech Money Central, and turn on notifications because we've got more game-changing content coming your way. The future isn't waiting. These tools are here. The question is, will you use them to watch money move or to make it move for you?